to Watch the Kettle. Today we're having a pickup. It's the green OP. You already can tell by the thumbnail. So this is me walking into the showroom. It's quite an impressive showroom here at Lakeside Goldsmith. You know, Roger Federer there, so showing the Wimbledon to complement that. I'm on my green bag for Christmas, so the Wimbledon has the green Roman numerals, and we know the green OP has the green dial, which I'm picking up today. And yeah, so just exploring the showroom while I wait for my watch. Champagne as always. If you bought a Rolex before, you know the experience is always top class when you're buying the watch. Champagne with my boy. Cheers into the new OP41. I was actually really excited about this because I haven't had a watch in a while, and I told my AD, do not call me till Christmas period for the OP41, and that's how I operate now, just to be specific with what I want. So this is the unveiling. Oof, that green dial, I'm just so excited. Probably still honeymoon stage, but I'm very excited about the green OP41. That is the Rolex green. As you can see, it matches the box, so it's the Rolex green logo. And I think this is going to be a collector's piece in the future, just because we had some that was discontinued before. This might be discontinued next year, 2025, I don't know. I picked this up November 2024. Look at that next to the Wimbledon, and you can tell there's way much green you know, with the OP41. So I'm calling this my Christmas watch, or my play watch, where I could flex a little bit of the color. Here, just basically the stickering the green OP. I wore a green t-shirt as well, trying to be a bit too extra. But so when you buy a watch from the Rolex AD, they sticker it so you don't actually go and resell it for a higher price. So my AD was kind enough to allow me to sticker my watch. I mean, if I'm buying a watch, I should be able to sticker it. It's my present to myself, so I should be able to sticker it. But I was actually allowed to keep the sticker at the back of the watch, at the back case over there. So that was nice of them. But yeah, just having a little chat with the sales rep about how long I had to wait. I had to wait a year and 5 months to get this watch. So the green OP is still kind of hard to come by. The resale value in the grey market is around maybe a grand 5 extra in British pounds. I got mine for £5,500, so quite lucky to get this at retail. If you can get this at retail, it's such a good deal, such a good bang for buck. But if you're going resale, then I mean, I'm not too sure. But yeah, really love this watch. So yeah, you have the green OP over there, unboxed, unstickered, and ready to go. So I always wear the watch on my wrist when I'm leaving the AD, because anyone can snatch the bag from you, but a day to snatch it from my wrist. We're in London, so we have to be careful. And quick unboxing here, standard Rolex unboxing, Oyster M over there. I think the reference number of this is the 124300, and then we have the green dial. So typical plastic opening, typical Rolex box, very simple. But the reason why I wanted to unbox this as well is just to show you how much I believe this is the Rolex color. I mean, I don't really see another Rolex watch that really screams the Rolex green as the green OP. There is so much green in here that it just basically sings Rolex in terms of Rolex green. We have typical stuff: receipts, manual booklet, guarantee card, and sort of guide as well on how to operate the watch. But looking at that green dial, we also have the swing tags, and we also have the list tag as well for how much it was. Good to have those in the box for resale value. But that green just matches the Rolex box and the Rolex card as well. It just really screams Rolex green. And depending on how you like to style your outfits, I think this is a really good pop of color. In the summer, perfect. In the winter as well, for that winter Christmas green is also perfect. Comes in the Oyster steel, all brush. The only polished surface is the bezel, and it's my first time actually having a domed bezel, or should I say a bezel that is not fluted. A smooth bezel in my collection, I must say. So clean look. Reminds me of my date, of my Submariner No Date, that clean look. So next to the booklet, you can see the green matches. It's just the Rolex green. So quick specs on this as well. So this is a 41 millimeter case. We have a lock to lug of 47.35 millimeter case, sapphire case back as well, 11.8 millimeter thick screw down crown. Surprisingly, it has a 100-meter water resistance as well. And we have the caliber 3230 as well on this, which is given a 70 hour for power reserve. Also on the clasp, we have a 5 millimeter extension clasp. So it doesn't really have the double clasp like the Submariner that has that, but the clasp is still quite beautiful and simple and brushed. So this is such a beautiful watch in my opinion. In 2020 they got released with a bunch of colors: the red, the blue, the black, the yellow, the green, the silver, the turquoise, and then they later got discontinued as well. I think he ran for a couple years and they got discontinued in 2022. So that was a short year of production. And then right now, I think we just have the blue, the green, the black, and the silver, and the new celebration dial. So yeah, how it fits on my wrist is perfect. I mean, it's just clean and simple. I didn't have any links taken off, unlike my other Rolexes. All I had was the adjustments, the micro adjustment done. I still have the easy link as well available for hot weather to expand. But I really love this watch so far. It's clean, it's simple, it's minimal, and it doesn't actually, it kind of flies under the radar. That green dial that actually turns black in low lighting and actually bright green or lovely Rolex green in during the daylight. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.